Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. The odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, continue up to 49. Here first term A is 1 and common difference D is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. We have to find out number of terms and sum of n terms equal to how much, and last term is given here an equal to 49. We have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 49 is equal to a1 plus n. We have to find out n. D is 2. 49 plus 1 take left side becomes minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Now n minus 1 equal to 49 minus 1 is 48. This 2 comes here down. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 4s are. N equal to 24 minus 1 take right side becomes plus 1. N equal to 25 is number of terms. Now we have to find out sum of 25 terms. Therefore we have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. S25 equals to n is 25 divides 2 into bracket 2 into a is 1 plus n is 25 minus 1, d is 2. Now 25 by 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into 2. 25 by 2 into 2 plus 24 2s are 48. This equal to 25 by 2 into 48 plus 2 is 50. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains 10, 2 5s are 10. 25 25 is a 25 into 25 is 625 is answer.